Hi everyone, and welcome back to my chart appraisals for today, Wednesday the 13th of August, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Going to be looking at euro dollar now, and euro dollar it was actually reasonably flat as the European trading session began, but then it seems as though that the Europeans are beginning to target the euro once again, down 20 pips on the day, and it seems to be now retreating back towards a possible test of these key lows around 101 spot 33.30. And that seems to be there. Well, certainly over the last 5 days or so, that support has been tested on a daily basis 3 times now, according to this intraday basis. But we'll see how that pans out. But certainly, these momentum indicators, which continue to show this bullish divergence that we've got going on here, certainly on the RSI and also the stochastics as well. These momentum indicators continue to show that. So what I'm beginning to, well, I mean, I've been talking about a euro recovery for the last week or so, as on several occasions, well, at least twice anyway, we've had some signals that suggest that the euro may find some support. It's still not really breaking down, and that move is also coming above that key November low at 32.95 that we saw back in, as I said, November. And as I said, I think that the downside potential on euro is limited from here. Now, I think that there is something going on in terms of a recovery. It's not obviously coming through particularly quickly, but I think that there is a tendency to find that the euro will have these recovery days, and I still think that there is room and scope for a move back towards this 34.75 big neckline resistance of this huge top pattern. I think we haven't had that pullback yet, and I still think that there is room for that to happen. And within the scope of the fact that we've got these divergences on the momentum indicators, still suggests to me that the downside potential is fairly limited on the euro from here, and you need to be aware that there is the possibility of a technical rally back towards that neckline that it could well be seen at some stage. It doesn't seem to be happening anytime soon, or particularly quickly anyway. But it just seems to me that there is something possibly going on. That is the move that we've seen in the last hour or so on the hourly chart, where the Europeans have started to sell again, but so far we're not seen a break below that $1.33.30 area, which has been tested on, as I said, on 3 or even 4 occasions if you count the 33.42 low on the 8th. So there is support around that area, so we'll see if that continues to hold. But as I said, at the moment I'm still of the belief that there is something potentially going on. You'd still need to have a move certainly above $1.34 big figure, sorry, wrong way, and more importantly, I think 34.40 I think is the key resistance, which has capped the gains throughout August. So 34.40 sort of area is the big ceiling that it needs to get through. But certainly at the moment, it's a little bit weaker today, but we'll see if that key support remains intact. I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.